Your wings are waiting. The cabin crew's secrets airlines don't tell you. The dream versus the reality. Hi, my name is Marisa, 25 years senior cabin crew veteran, from Pan Am to Delta Airlines from 1995 till 2024. For more than 28 years, I called the skies my office. From my first flight as a nervous 21-year-old with Pan Am to leading teams across the globe as a senior purser, I've seen it all. I've held the hand of a terrified first-time flyer, and I've helped deliver a baby over the Atlantic. This job, it's not what you see on Instagram. It's deeper. It's about becoming the calm in someone else's storm. The blueprint. The 3 non-negotiables. Over 20 years, I've sat on hundreds of hiring panels. I can tell you exactly what we look for. 1. The foundation. Education and experience. A high school diploma is a must, but degrees in hospitality or languages give you a killer edge. For best diploma in airline cabin crew service, check the link in description on this video. 2. The physical appearance. Height, reach, and professional image. Listen, the height requirement isn't about appearance. It's pure safety. I've had to reach an emergency lever in a dark, smoke-filled cabin during a training simulation. You need that reach. And professionalism in your grooming is non-negotiable. 3. The legal and the healthy. Passport, background, medical, swim. I've seen fantastic candidates fail right at the pool. The secret sauce. How to ace the interview? Secret 1. Be a connector, not a commander. Now, let's talk about the interview. The group assessment is where most people fail. They think we want the loudest voice. We don't. We're looking for the person who lifts others up, the one who says, "What do you think?" That's the future crew member I want on my team. Secret 2. Master the STAR method. And when you're in that final interview, don't just tell me you're great. Show me. Use the STAR method. Situation, task, action, result. I trained my own teams on this. It's the language of aviation professionals, and it instantly makes you stand out. Beyond the wings, the life and the career. This career gave me a global family. Yes, you'll miss birthdays and face jet lag, but I've celebrated New Year's Eve in 4 different countries, and I've watched junior crew I mentored become captains and instructors. The path is yours to shape. Become a purser, a trainer like me, or move into management. Airlines like Emirates, Qatar, and United II all have unique cultures. Find the one that feels like home. I have put all my 28 years experience in my ebook guide, which will really help a lot of people around the world. My book, Soaring High, Your Ultimate Cabin Crew Career Guide, interviews, skills, training, and global airline opportunities. Link in description. The journey is yours to create. It is not about me, now it is all about you. How you can transform your lifestyle. Your journey starts now. Your wings exist. All you have to do is fly. After 28 years, I still believe it's the greatest job in the world. But it's calling for the resilient, the empathetic, and the prepared. You have that in you. Let me help you unlock it. Subscribe and let's get you to your interview. Comment Soaring High below and tell me your biggest fear about the process. I'll answer your questions. Thanks for watching and listening my story. Time to create your story now. Learn more and hit the link in description.